Hi, this is Amog. In this video, I'm going to solve the Laplace transformation of sine 2t. So let's start. Okay, so the Laplace transformation of a function f of t is given by integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt. Okay, so here f of t is equal to sine 2t. So the Laplace of sine 2t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st sine 2t dt. Now to solve this integration we are gonna use the rule of biparts. So in the rule of biparts the integration of uv is equal to u dash times integral v minus integral this is u times integral v minus integral u dash times integral v. So here u is equal to sine 2t and v is equal to e to the power minus st. Okay, so the Laplace of sine 2t is equal to some I is equal to sine 2t times integration e power minus st dt minus integration of the differentiation of sine 2t is 2 cos 2t integration of e power minus st dt. So now we get sine 2t times e to the power minus st divided by minus s, which goes from 0 to infinity minus integration 0 to infinity taking 2 by s out cos 2t times e to the power minus st dt. The minus this is minus e to the power minus st, so minus of minus becomes plus. Okay, now let's take this function as some capital X. Okay, so capital X is equal to 2 by s times integration 0 to infinity cos 2t times minus e to the power minus st dt. So now we are gonna use the same rule of biparts where cos 2t will be u and e power minus st will be v. So we get 2 by s times cos 2t into e to the power minus st divided by minus s from 0 to infinity minus 0 to infinity. Differentiation of cos 2t is minus 2 sin 2t, so minus 2 sin 2t into the integration of e to the power minus st is minus e to the power minus st divided by s, so minus of minus becomes plus, so e to the power minus st divided by s. So we get 2 by s times cos 2t e to the power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity minus 2 by s times 0 to infinity sin 2t e to the power minus st. So if we see this 0 to infinity e to the power minus st times sin 2t is nothing but the Laplace of sin 2t, which we have taken as I. So by substituting the x in the above equation, we get I is equal to sin 2t times e to the power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity plus so plus 2 by s times cos e to the power minus st divided by minus s ranging from 0 to infinity minus 4 by s square I. So now bringing this over here, we get I times 1 plus 4 by s square is equal to, now for solving this integration we are going to substitute the limits. We know that sine always lies between -1 to 1, so for infinity, e power minus infinity will become 0. So there we get 0, and minus for 0, the value of sine 0 is 0, so we get it as 0. So this value will become 0 plus 2 by s times, yeah. So for infinity, again cos ranges from -1 to 1, so it doesn't exceed that. So e power minus infinity gives 1 by e power infinity, which is 0, so it's 0. Minus, so minus of this minus will become plus. By substituting 0, we get e power 0 as 1, and cos 0 will be 1, so this is 0 plus 1. Okay, so I times 4 plus s square divided by s square is equal to this is 2 by s square, yeah, this 2 by s square, so this is 1, okay, yeah, is equal to 2 by s square. So by cancelling s square, we get I is equal to 2 divided by 4 plus s square. I is nothing but the Laplace of sine 2t. So that is how we solve the Laplace of sine 2t. And yeah, while solving this, you need to remember the condition that s is always greater than 0. Okay, so hope you understand. Thank you.